Hey, welcome back to my channel, guys. Kurt Buchanan here with a brand new video for you guys. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I found the products that generated over 600 orders in my store in a matter of a month. All right, so a couple days ago, I created this video showing you guys my marketing tactic that I used to generate 650 orders in my store in 30 days. And since then, I've been getting a lot of questions asking me about how did you find those products? Can you show us the products that you did sell? So I can't show you the exact products I sold, right? That would just be me killing my own business, but I can show you exactly the method I used to find those products. So this is a method I've covered in a previous video, but it was a part of a longer video, so maybe some of you guys missed it. So I'm just going to recap and show you exactly what I did. There are multiple different methods of doing this, right? But this what I'm about to show you is possibly one of the easiest ways you can do it. So what you need to do is to find other stores in your niche. Of course, that's the first step. All right, so once you find good selling Shopify stores in your niche, what you want to do is to sort their store for top selling items, right? And then copy one or two top selling items from that store, search for them on AliExpress. And if you can find them on AliExpress, you want to list those items in your store and try to undercut the competition and market to wherever they're marketing to and try to make some sales doing that. So let me show you how I did it, or how I do it on a daily basis. So you want to go to our website, myip.ms. All right, so just in case you have seen this before, you can by all means leave a like on the video and leave a comment and tell me if it worked for you or not. All right, so you want to go to this IP address, which is 223.227.38.0, which is the Shopify IP address. All right, so once you come to this page, you want to click on this button that says other IP on this, other sites on this IP. And what that is going to do is it's going to give you a lot of different websites on the Shopify IP address. And as you can see here, the #1 site is Colourpop, Fashion Nova, Jeffree Star Cosmetics, MVMT watches, etc. So what I usually do here is to click on where it says view all records. Then it's going to resort, and it's going to sort from lowest ranking all the way up to the highest ranking. So from this page, what you can do is you can resort it if you want, but I usually just go through and try to identify websites that are in my niche. All right, so I'm just going to pick one at random and see if I can find exactly. All right, so say for example, this one says cool web finds. I'm not even sure what this is. So I'm just going to copy link address and paste it here. And you want to remove the my IP link. So I want to delete that. And then you want to click on enter. All right, so we're going to go to cool web finds, and then we're going to sort cool web finds for maybe I did visit this site before, for collections by best selling. So you want to go to /collections/all question sign sort underscore by equal best selling. What this is going to do is to sort the website by the best selling items. So these are the top selling items in this dropshipping store, and I know it's a dropshipping store because I know this item from AliExpress. So say for example, this is their #1 selling item. What you want to do is to go to AliExpress and look for mini portable heat sealer, just to see how much it is actually selling for, and if you can import it to your Shopify store and sell it for a better price than they're selling it for. So this is currently in my local currency, which is 22,099 GMD, which is 17 US dollars. So let me see if I can find this on AliExpress. So it's a portable heat sealer. So this is a method I go through, guys, to find products to sell in my store. So as you can see, there are multiple different variations of portable heat sealers, but this one here seems to be the exact product they have here. Maybe not, but it's pretty much similar. So what I do from here is it's selling for $2.67, right? US standard shipping is $1.03. So let's say this is $3.70. I could list this product in my store and undercut and sell it for less than $16.99. Maybe I could go $30.99 or $14.99. I would still be making a decent margin on that product. So I would list this to my product using my Uberla app, importing this to my store, undercutting the competition, and then trying to target the persons he's targeting. For example, he's obviously targeting my country, and that's why I'm able to see the ad in my newsfeed. So I definitely want to target my country as well, or just target worldwide with this product. So that's a method I use to find top selling products to list in my store, and that's how I managed to generate over 655 orders in my store with just a couple of products. So most 90% of the orders that came in here or were probably from like 10 products or less. So, and this is the exact method I use to find those products. So thank you so very much for watching this video. I really hope it helps you out. If it did, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm definitely going to be releasing some more great quality content for you guys. So you want to subscribe so you can be notified when I release them. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.